welcome back to the channel. So sorry for the lack of content. I'm really under the weather and I'm just trying to keep up with everything in day-to-day life. But we've put our monthly Project LUNCBurn through, and this is a real good project because it only ever increases each month, if that makes sense. It's only ever going to continue to rise as long as people continue to buy the NFTs. It will always continue to rise. But the best thing about this project is it never stops. Okay, it will keep going until the burning is complete, until it's not needed, as to which we can move to something else. We can put the funding towards something else. We can use it for even more growth. This also locks up a lot of liquidity into the blockchain and it keeps a liquidity cycle going. And that's really important when you're building a project to actually backfeed it into the system. Now, we're not only just burning LUNC, we're burning USTC as well. This is really good. So we burnt just over 1 million LUNC and just under 5k USTC. And this is just Project LUNCBurn. I put through another burn, we'll get onto that shortly, but this project ultimately it's sold 1,000 NFTs so far and there's 19,000 to go. This project is something that's like LUNCpenguins, and it's going to sneak up on everybody, and it's going to sneak up in a manner that LUNCpenguins snuck up on everybody, and then all of a sudden it was the best project available in LUNC. It has the best rewards and one of the best futures that is being provided for NFT projects with continued uses, airdrops, USTC airdrops, LUNC rewards, the works. Now, like I was saying, this project's got a lot of potential, and it's just one of those things. We can't force it. We can't throw it down people's throats, and it has to grow organically. And a lot of these other burn projects, they go for the sprint, whereas we're going for the marathon, which is going to last the lifetime of our blockchain. For this project to fail, the blockchain has to collapse, and this is how I build all of my projects. Is they're so interwoven into the system that for them to fail, the blockchain would have to die. For them to succeed, the blockchain also must succeed, and this is the risks we take. Now, like I was saying, this wasn't the only burn that I put through today. I put through an extra burn from the node, which was 1 million LUNC and then 2,000 USTC. And it's really good just to keep things going, keep people in a place where they know that we care. We're not just here just to build and provide all of these other things. We're also building projects that address the other concerns in the community. If I could build something for the Wrap Luna community, I definitely would. But because it's a wormhole token, it's not something that we actually have any real control over currently. Now, like I was saying, this is 2 burns. I'm going to be doing this at the end of every month. So when I do the Project LUNCBurn, I'll also put through a burn from the node each month, and I'll put aside what I can, which doesn't go towards what we need for infrastructure costs and stuff like that. Because I think something that a lot of people don't understand is that even though, a lot of us validators, we've gone up in voting power, as that's happened, the price of LUNC has continued to become crushed. And as that's become crushed, it crushes the amount you get for your infrastructure and all of those different things. Now, as we move forward, like I was saying, it's all about trying to find different ways to do different things, and not even trying to cover as much space as possible, but just try and build things that are actually going to work. They're going to last. They're going to be there to support the communities that continue to support them. This isn't something that requires consistent maintenance. It's just going to organically flow. I also use a lot of my own commission that I get from my delegations. I use those to actually buy Project LUNCBurn NFTs because I know that funding that is actually providing a forever burn, which is ever so important. But a small little burn update here. I know Binance are going to be doing their big burn in the next couple of days, if not within the next 24 hours. So do keep an eye out for that. I've got another video coming out later today, but it's going to be slow and steady from me because I'm just really not feeling too good. Stay safe, stay humble, stay aware, and I will catch you in the next one.